Hey, this is Landon with Natural Lake Biosciences. Today I'm here at the Natural Lake Biosciences Laboratory to introduce the newest technology in our product portfolio, MetaFloc. MetaFloc is a 2-in-1 combination technology that targets phosphorus and nitrogen to improve water quality in your lakes and ponds. MetaFloc strips phosphorus right out of the water column with its industry-leading phosphorus binding capacity and adds beneficial bacteria to ensure the health of the natural microbial community. MetaFloc is easy to apply, has no irrigation restrictions, and has no impact on pH or alkalinity. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Natural Lake Biosciences, and make sure to check out naturallake.com for more information on MetaFloc and the rest of our treatment technologies.